Hello everyone, welcome to another challenge. This time, we'll be testing your skills with the char type in C#. Your task for this challenge is to create a C# application that prompts the user to enter a character. This application should determine the type of the entered character, whether it's a letter, digit, or symbol, and display the result in the terminal, similar to this message you're currently seeing. Pause the video and give it a try. Good luck. Alright, we hope you successfully completed the challenge. Now, let's move over to VS Code and work on this challenge together. In order to create this application, first, we need to make preparations that allow the user to enter their desired character. So, let's prompt the user to enter a character. Then we'll store the entered value in a string variable because the return type of the readLine method is a string. Since the three methods we want to use for recognizing the entered character require a char value as a parameter, our next step is to convert the input string into a char type. So, to achieve this conversion, we can utilize the parse method specifically designed for converting strings to char values. Now that we've obtained the desired character, we can utilize the isLetter method to determine whether this character is a letter or not. Next, let's display the result in the terminal. Save the file and run the application in order to observe its behavior. Now, let's put a number and press enter. As you can see, we receive the correct result. Let's run the application once more, but this time put a letter like S. As expected, we obtain a true value as a result. Alright, let's repeat this process for the isDigit and isSymbol methods. First, duplicate this statement by holding Alt and Shift and pressing the down arrow. Then, we'll change the isLetter to isDigit. Next, duplicate this statement and change the isDigit to isSymbol. Now, display these results in the terminal. Save the file and give it a try. Start by inputting the number 7. As expected, only the isDigit method returns true as a result. Let's run the application again, but this time tested with a $sign character. As you can see, only the isSymbol method returns true. Finally, we'll test the application behavior with the letter N. As expected, only the isLetter method gives us a true value. Great job! We've successfully completed the challenge. Thank you for joining us, and we'll catch you in the following lecture.